Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Mercedes-Benz has always been synonymous with luxury, and the 2025 GLE takes this legacy to the next level. With a refined design, cutting-edge technology, and an elevated driving experience, the 2025 GLE stands out as a top contender in the luxury SUV market. Whether you're looking for top-notch performance, advanced features, or a plush, spacious cabin, the 2025 GLE delivers on all fronts. Here's a deep dive into what makes this SUV a must-have for those seeking the best of luxury and innovation. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE presents a modern, athletic appearance that commands attention. Its bold front grille, angular LED headlights, and smooth contours give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The SUV's longer body enhances the design, providing better aerodynamics without sacrificing its iconic luxury appeal. With a variety of color options and alloy wheels, the 2025 GLE ensures that your vehicle suits your personal style. Step inside, and the 2025 GLE greets you with a cabin that blends comfort and modernity. The interior boasts high-quality materials like leather upholstery, wood trim, and metal accents. The cabin offers ample space for both passengers and luggage, ensuring long trips are just as enjoyable as short commutes. The rear seats provide generous legroom, making this SUV an ideal choice for families or anyone who wants to travel in comfort. The large panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin, adding to the sense of spaciousness, and advanced noise insulation ensures a quiet, serene atmosphere, even on rough roads. Mercedes' craftsmanship is evident, with a well-thought-out layout and intuitive controls. State-of-the-art technology. The 2025 GLE is packed with technology, keeping you connected and safe. The MBUX Mercedes-Benz User Experience System features a dual-screen setup, combining a high-resolution digital gauge cluster and an intuitive infotainment display. The system is equipped with voice commands, enabling you to control everything from navigation to music with simple spoken requests. For those who crave entertainment and convenience, the 2025 GLE also features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system, making your driving experience both enjoyable and connected. Additionally, the SUV comes with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and even an available rear seat entertainment system. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the 2025 GLE offers a range of engine options that deliver both power and efficiency. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that strikes a balance between performance and fuel economy. For those seeking more power, the GLE 454 MATIC features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with EQ boost, offering a smooth, dynamic driving experience with a boost of electric power. The GLE 584 MATIC, with its 4.0-liter V8 engine, offers robust performance and impressive acceleration. All models come equipped with 4 MATIC all-wheel drive, ensuring superior traction and stability, even in challenging driving conditions. The GLE's smooth ride and responsive handling, combined with adaptive air suspension, make it a top choice for those who demand a balance of comfort and performance. Advanced safety features. Mercedes-Benz is known for prioritizing safety, and the 2025 GLE is no exception. It's equipped with a full suite of advanced safety features, including active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The GLE also features the latest in autonomous driving technologies, such as the optional Drive Pilot, which allows for hands-free driving in certain conditions. Additionally, the SUV comes with a comprehensive set of airbags, as well as a 360-degree camera system that provides excellent visibility, making parking and maneuvering a breeze. For those who need the versatility of towing, the 2025 GLE doesn't disappoint. The GLE 450 and GLE 580 models can tow up to 7,700 pounds when properly equipped, making it an ideal choice for hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy loads. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE comes in multiple trims, including the GLE 350, GLE 450, and GLE 580, with various options for added luxury and performance features. Pricing starts around $60,000 for the base model and can rise significantly with upgraded options and higher trims. While pricing can vary based on location and configuration, the 2025 GLE is an investment in luxury, performance, and quality that is hard to beat. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of luxury and performance. With a refined design, cutting-edge technology, and top-tier performance, it's easy to see why this model continues to be one of the most sought-after luxury SUVs on the market. Whether you're looking for advanced safety features, an impressive towing capacity, or simply a comfortable and stylish ride, the 2025 GLE is ready to deliver. If you're in the market for a new luxury SUV, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the road.